Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you a very nice accessory for your Dyson vacuum cleaner. It's the Dyson Floor Dock Multi. Basically with this accessory you don't need to drill holes into your walls. You can put the vacuum cleaner directly on it. This is how the box looks like. Here we have a description of the product. It's made in Malaysia, and on this side we don't have anything. So I'm going to open the box and I'm going to show you what we have inside it. This is how the box looks like when it's opened. The wrapping is very nice. So I'm going to take everything out to show you how they look like, and then I'm going to assemble it. This is what we have inside the box. So basically we have two metal bars, very good quality. We have the dock for the vacuum cleaner, and it is made of hard plastic, white shiny plastic. It looks good and the materials are premium. We have the base of the dock, which is metal and is very heavy. And we have the accessory support, which is also made of plastic and has a shiny finish. I like it. And here we have how to mount it, some instructions. I'm going to assemble it now, and then I'm going to show it to you how it looks like. And this is how the product looks like when it's mounted. I will also put the vacuum cleaner in it to see the overall picture, but it looks very nice and very premium. And of course I didn't connect the charging cable here, but you can connect the charging cable, so when you put your vacuum cleaner it will charge automatically. And basically this is where I'm going to keep it, near this wall. And I'm going to connect the charger in that socket. And I also wanted to show you how to connect the charger to the dock. So basically this is the charger. You take the cable from the charger and put it in this slot here. You have to press on it to enter in the slot. Okay. And then you have to connect it here into the dock itself. It's very easy. You just bring it here, it has a slot, put it, and then you have to pull the cable back to have it really tightened. And then after you do that, you just put this plastic cover back like this. And now you just put your vacuum cleaner here. And then you just need to connect back the accessory holder like this. You put it like this, but you need to do it with two hands and push. It's very simple. And this is how it looks like when it's charging. As you can see, I have the charger connected. It comes here. The cable is here on the back. As you can see, you have an LED blinking here. And I should have the battery indicator, yeah, 30%. This is how the dock looks like with all the accessories and with the charging cable in it. It looks very good, I like it. And I'm going to use it because I don't want to drill holes into my walls to put the accessory from the vacuum cleaner. I like the color, it's white. I like the materials. And I like the fact that I can put all the accessories here. From what you can see, they fit perfectly. Okay guys, so this was my short review for this Dyson dock. If you like it, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.